History of Isele Uku culture. Isile Uku Isele Uku kingdom was founded by the Benis in about 1230 AD by Oba Eweka I of Benin Empire, and first Ogi of the kingdom was Prince Wadiai, who was the second son of Oba Eweka I. The original name of the new kingdom carved out of Benin Empire, Isi Ile Uku, signifies relationship with the Benin and Oba of Benin, Uku Akpolokpolo, Omonoba Nedo. When Oba Eweka first created the new Benin outpost of Isile Uku, now pronounced Isile Uku, his main objectives was to check and stop the influx of the movement of people from east of the river Niger and people from Igala land into the Edo land west of the river Niger for farming and fishing operations. Also to use Isi Ile Uku, the new outpost and kingdom, as a defensive outpost to the Benin Empire and moreover for expansion purposes. Prince Uwadiai, the second son of Oba Eweka I, was crowned Ogi, king by his father Oba Eweka I of Benin Empire about 1230 AD and set to rule the Benin New Kingdom of Isi-Ile Uku in company of a group of Beninese warriors, administrators, chiefs, and other princes of the royal family of Benin from Ogbi, Ihaikpe, Idumu, Ihalewe, Idumu Igun, Idumu Ike, Idumu Isama, and Idumu Ogbekan, members of the royal family of the Benin, were settled at Ihaikpe of Isele Uku. These Benin quarters, Ogbe and Idumu, are now called Ishakpe, Obidibo, Idumu Inele, Egbiwe, Idumu Uzu, Idumu Ike, Idumu Uzoma, Idumu Onishe, Idumu Iyama, Idumu Isama, and Idumu Edemuka, Umu Edomuka at Ogboli. The present language of the people of Iseleku was changed slightly, the original pronunciation. The Oba of Benin in the days of old had reigned successively over the kingdom of Isile Uku. The new kingdom of Isile Uku was gladly hailed in Benin then as an eastern extension of Benin Empire. In fact, the kings of Isile Uku have paraphernalia and relics of kingly office as the Oba of Benin and performs the same yearly festival, Ugi Oba Oje Ini Ao Obi at Isele Uku. The king of Isele Uku, are the true representatives of the Oba of Benin in the area lying to the west of the river Niger, and as such the Obi, king of Iseluku, has a position of authority as the Oba's authentic representative in the eastern extremities of the Great Benin Empire. The custom and tradition of Benin is the same at Iseleuku, and the influence of Benin language can be noticed or traced in the Ika Igbo language of the people of Iseleuku. The Oba of Benin continues to pronounce the obis of Iseleuku until presently when he sends chiefs to officiate for him on the crowning of any new Obi, king of Iseleuku, although the Ika Igbo language predominates as Iseleuku nowadays, and it was the mainly to the fact that there were more interactions with the later Igbo-founded towns around Isele Uku than Benin City, which is situated a long distance